Welcome back to It Started with Sawdust. We run a quick demo with our 2 impact wrenches. Today, we are at rangerjack.com and test our tools with one of the Humvees here. We gonna find out soon. Socket size is 22 mil. Starring Makita XWT14 and Dewalt DCF894. Both machines provide equal results, even though the Makita got less punch according to the spec sheet. So it is about time to find a challenge for both of them. "9 seconds for the stubborn lug nut. Same result. We didn't expect that. So we are on our way to find a compelling challenge in order to see what tool can pull it off. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.